Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Revolut. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, investing, and travel. It's a really popular service, and it's available in many countries around the world. But which countries is Revolut available in? That's what I'm going to answer in this video. Revolut is available in over 40 countries around the world. It's particularly popular in Europe, where it has a large user base. But Revolut is also available in other regions, including Asia, Africa, and North America. Here is a list of some of the countries where Revolut is available. Europe, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, Poland, Netherlands, Belgium, Sweden, Denmark, Norway, Finland, Ireland, Portugal, Greece, Czech Republic, Hungary, Romania, Slovakia, Slovenia, Bulgaria, Croatia, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Cyprus, Malta, Iceland, Liechtenstein, Andorra, Monaco, San Marino, Vatican City. Asia, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, Vietnam, South Korea, China, India, Australia, New Zealand. Africa, South Africa, Egypt, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Ivory Coast, Senegal, Cameroon, Gabon, Congo, Angola, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Madagascar, Mauritius. North America, United States, Canada. Revolut is available in most countries around the world, but there are a few exceptions. For example, Revolut is not available in Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Syria, and Sudan. If you're interested in using Revolut, you can check out their website to see if it's available in your country. You can also download the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play. So, that's a quick overview of which countries Revolut is available in. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Revolut, I encourage you to check out their website or download their app. Thanks for watching.